Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am taking on the ultimate bicep challenge, the 5 kilograms dumbbell bicep curls challenge. Can I do 150 reps? Well, let's find out. I've always loved a good challenge, and this one is no different. I mean, who doesn't want massive, sculpted biceps, right? But before we dive into my journey, let's talk about the challenge itself. The rules are simple: grab a pair of 5 kilograms dumbbells and perform as many bicep curls as you can in one go. The target, a whopping 150 reps. Now, I have been training consistently for months, so I was feeling pretty confident going into this challenge. I started off strong, pumping out rep after rep. But as I reached the 50 rep mark, the burn started to kick in. My arms were on fire, but I pushed through, channeling my inner determination. By the time I hit 100 reps, my biceps were screaming at me to stop, but quitting was not an option. I fought through the pain, digging deep and finding that extra ounce of strength. And finally, at 150 reps, I conquered the challenge. It was an incredible feeling of accomplishment and sheer exhaustion. Now, you might be wondering, did I see any results from this challenge? Absolutely. Not only did I push my limits and increase my endurance, but my biceps have never looked better. They are more defined, more chiseled than ever before. So, if you're up for the challenge, give it a try. Grab those 5 kilograms dumbbells and see if you can achieve the 150 reps. It's not easy, but trust me, the results will be worth it. Thank you all for joining me on this journey and supporting me through every rep. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting challenge like this. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing those limits.